Hi guys, I'm back at giving you a answer key for the work problems. I think I'm working on that Mike problem right there. So let's see. It says Mike takes twice as long as Rachel to complete a project. So I'm assuming that means alone, so their rates. So one is twice as fast as the other. Mike takes twice as long as Rachel. So if Rachel takes X hours, well, then Mike would take 2X hours. That makes sense. In other words, if she took 4 hours, he would take 8. So the relationship is the unknown, and Mike's twice the unknown. So there's their rates. Together, they can complete it in 10 hours. So they're going to work for 10 hours. Which is going to give us 10 over 2x and 10 over x. And because they're both working, we're going to add them together. And we're going to complete the job. In other words, we're going to equal 1. It's one job that's being completed. So our LCD is 2x. So the 2x's will cancel. The x's will cancel, but you still have 10 times 2. 1 times 2x. So x equals 15. And what does the question say? How long will it take each of them to complete a project alone? So if x is 15, it'll take Rachel 15 hours, and it'll take Mike 30. So there's the answer for that. Next one I'm going to do is that Aiden one, which is a little further down on the page here. Aiden can do a piece of work in 3 days. Bernie in 4 days. So these are their alone rates. That's what you have to assume. And Cynthia in 6 days. Each working alone. Oh, I don't even have to assume it. It says it. How long will it take them to do it together? All right, so we have, if he does it in 3 days, he can do 1/3 of the job every day. Bernie can do 1/4 of the job every day. Cynthia can do 1/6. But they're going to work for the same amount of time. So I'm going to end up with x over 3 plus x over 4 plus x over 6. Because they're all working, we're going to equal 1. LCD appears to be 12. You could use different numbers, but 12 seems to be the easiest. So we'll get 4x plus 3x plus 2x is 12. 12 over 9, which is 1 1/3. So if they work together, they'll complete the job in 1 1/3 hours. And the last problem, we have a carpenter and his assistant. I don't know why it's titled number 4. They can do a piece of work in 3 days. The reason I know that that's together is because then it tells us the carpenter himself could do it alone in 5. So we know the carpenter's rate is 1/5, and we don't know the assistant's rate. So we have 3 over 5 plus 3 over x to complete the job. LCD is 5x. The 5's cancel. The x's cancel. X equals 7.5. So the assistant alone would take that long.